What's up, guys? Welcome back to Carnegie Studios. Today, we're going to be covering the G major scale, doing a comprehensive analysis of that, just the basics. Let's jump right into it. So, we have the G major scale. It's different from the C major scale, and right off the bat, we're going to play it and name the notes. We're going to do G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. Notice there is one accidental in the key of G. That's what makes it different, right? And so how do we play a major scale? Quick recap, we use the major scale formula that is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Taking G, we're going to start with G. We're going to do one whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, and then half step. And that's where it creates that ability for there to be one accidental. Going from E to F sharp, you have that whole step that's necessary before you go to G, that half step, right? So creating that. The G major scale is a great scale to practice because of that one accidental. You're getting used to playing keys that aren't just C major scale. And so you're going to be able to practice it. And there are other keys that have one accidental in it, which I'll cover at a later date. But G is such a great scale to practice with. Why? Because one, it's commonly used in a lot of music. G major is very common. Two, it's easier than other scales to practice, such as possibly D major scale, E major scale, where you have 2 and 4 accidentals. So let's jump right into it. We've played the scale. Let's do the fingering. What is the correct finger pattern for the G major scale? So looking at our hands, obviously numbering them. 1 is our thumbs, our index fingers are 2, our middle fingers are 3, ring fingers are 4, and then pinky fingers 5. So taking our hand with the right hand, we'll do G. It'll be 1, 2, 3. Then we'll tuck our thumb underneath and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then coming back down, it'll be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we'll bring over our middle finger, 3, 2, 1. That's the right hand. And the left hand is going to be same as the descending pattern of the right hand. So before you get confused, let's play it. We'll do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring our middle finger over, 3, 2, 1. Coming back down, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So literally it's the opposite of the right hand. And so that is the correct finger pattern to play the G major scale. And that is another reason why I like covering this. It has the same finger structure, finger pattern as the C major scale. Nothing changes, only that accidental. Moving on, we're going to be covering the diatonic chords within the G major scale. So diatonic chords literally mean the chords that belong to that scale. And when I play a diatonic chord, it is going to have this formula. It's going to be major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, major. Let's play it before you get confused. We've got G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F sharp diminished, and then back to G major. Those are the diatonic chords in this scale. So literally, you see where we're starting to use that sharp, right, or flat coming down. Right when we get to the B minor, we're starting to use that. And then moving on, we got C major, and then D major, and then E minor, F sharp diminished, and then G. We're utilizing all these chords and staying true to the diatonic chord formula while using that accidental. So very interesting, very cool side note. And lastly, how do we practice the G major scale? We'll keep it simple. We'll do 3 things. First, we'll practice the first 5 notes of the scale. We'll call it the pentascale. Practice that in the right hand. You can practice it in the left hand as well. And then hands together, you can do that. So that's one, first 5 notes, a pencil scale. The second one is to practice the whole scale. So we'll do that. Right hand, left hand, hands together. And so those are two scales practice. A third way that you can practice utilizing the G major scale is a simple chord progression. I'll cover one, a 1, 4, 5, 1. You got the 1, G major, 2, 3, 4, C major, then 5, D major, and then back to the 1, G major. So those are three ways you can practice using the G major scale. 2 scales exercises and 1 chord progression. And that's it, y'all. Please let me know down in the comments below what you'd like to see in terms of the G major scale. And thanks for tuning into part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 of this G major scale comprehensive analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.